Introducing Aqua Harvest, your gateway to abundant water for generations to come. Say goodbye to water scarcity and hello to a lifetime of free water with our innovative rooftop rainwater system. By making a one-time investment, you secure an everlasting supply of pure, sustainable water for yourself and future generations. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your loved ones will never face water shortages again. Join us in building a brighter future with Aqua Harvest. Embrace the power of nature and invest today for a lifetime of free water. Act now and make a lasting impact for the generations to come.